if you are farming TimeFarm, then it is right time for you to link your wallet into this farming application. But if you are not yet to farm this now, I will be dropping the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Quickly check it out. It's not too late for you to get started. And right here, if you want to increase your time farming, you can simply come here to upgrade and then spend some tokens here to upgrade your time. It's totally free because you are going to spend the tokens you have farmed already. And if you go to the task section, you will see some tasks that you can actually perform to earn more time points. And also, if you invite your friend, you can come here every now and then to claim some points. And if you go to earnings, you can actually stake to get more points for yourself. I have already staked over 100 million of this coin, and then my return on investment will be 35%. And this staking is for 45 days. So I have staked, the main reason why. And also there is Oracle of Time, where you perform some questions every day, and the answer for this one right here is 3rd of January 2009. So I will be selecting 2009 January. I will simply go to January and then 03. This is like a daily combo. I have explained this before. This is like a daily combo. Just click on it and then it will confirm the answer for me. So the answer for tomorrow will definitely be different from this. So right now, for the purpose why we are here to connect our wallet, if you go to the wallet, then you will see connect your Ton wallet. I will simply click on the connect, and then as always, I will be using Tonkeeper. So let's select Tonkeeper and then just wait for some moment to load our Tonkeeper up. So this is my Tonkeeper, but as always, you know that we always create separate wallets for every airdrop that we actually perform. So I will simply be doing that right now because I will be adding a new wallet, and then I will click on new wallet, input my security code. So if you receive a connection decline message like this, don't panic. TimeFarm just want to check you out. All you have to do is to minimize your Telegram and then open your Tonkeeper application. So it will instantly take you up to this place where you will be able to continue with the creation of a new wallet. What I have to do right now is to rename this wallet to TimeFarm. I will simply be changing this to color blue. Then I'll be putting this icon and then I will just click on save. As you can see right here, we have successfully created a new wallet. Then all I have to do right now is to go back to my Telegram application and then click on retry. So it will automatically pick this up right now. Then I will just click on connect wallet. And this time around, we should be able to connect our wallet to this TimeFarm application successfully. So it's as simple as that. As you can see right here, our wallet has been connected. And if you really want to confirm if your wallet is linked up, all you have to do is to go back to your Tonkeeper application, and then you will simply click on this settings icon up here and click on notification. Then you will see that our TimeFarm has been connected. Another way is for you to go to this browser and then click on connected up here. You will see that truly our TimeFarm has been connected. And of course, if you get any value from this video, don't forget to like, share it for more tappers to see, and of course follow this page for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.